Hello, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be showing how to run Conway's Game of Life in a bash script. In my prior videos I had mentioned it a little bit, and also I've mentioned some other things that I would like to touch on in the future. Right now I'm going to cover how to get this up and running. This isn't a script that I wrote, but I will be including links to the individual's GitHub repo for you to be able to pull it yourself. The instructions are here, and I'll show you where that is on the web. The equal sign will show us the URL as well as some other information. To print that to a local file. I do already have this file on here. That's how you save it, just like you have seen in the bash-life.txt. Get back and search where that is, which is at the bottom. You can also press P to print this to file, and you can just copy and paste these commands, and then to move into that folder, and then to actually run the program, the bash space bash.life.shell. I already have it, so I'm not going to download it again, so I'll go ahead and exit out of this. We'll run it. Here's what it looks like. There's a few common patterns that are pretty popular. This one's a glider. This will just glide across the screen indefinitely. There are some stable patterns that you can choose, like this, as well as I believe a honeycomb. Running that and changing it. We could do something random. And there's particular rules that govern how each of these will behave. And this will just resolve to a few steady states. And then the pattern that I think is the most interesting, or at least one of the most interesting ones that I've come across so far. There are some other really interesting ones. This one's called the acorn, and it will continuously generate until it reaches a state where there's only a few stable patterns, and then a few that oscillate, but it takes quite a while to get there, and you see quite a lot of growth and development. So Conway's Game of Life, it somewhat mimics natural biological processes of life, or at least in a way represents those. and people have used this for a variety of different visualizations, up to recreating how computers process information, being able to recreate microprocessors with the simple displays within the Game of Life. You might have seen other videos on the Game of Life. I just wanted to show how you can actually get this, to be able to use it and play around with it and see how it works for yourself and see what things you can do with it. So I hope you found this video interesting. If you liked it, go and give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content, as I have alluded to some of the other projects that I'll be wanting to make videos on, you can subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to be notified of when there's new videos, there's the bell icon. And I thank you for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day.